Wake up, filthy.
Yeah, I'm on this beat, and I'm sucking on the meat. No, wait, nah, that's weird. I would never really suck on meat, but I would like to be in bed with a girl. I don't know who I'm kissing right now. Wait, this is ass, this beat is good, but I'm acid rapping. Yeah, I'm trapping my hamster in the microwave. Yeah, I like hamsters in microwaves. Hamsters are cool with microwaves. They taste good when you put them in the microwave, and then you eat their ass off. What the fuck am I saying? I don't know, but I don't want to stop. I don't really know what I just said, but I'm doing this so I can get in bed and go sleep. I just want to do this before I go to sleep, and yeah. I'm looking better than every lover out there. Come on me. Pause.